Hey guys, welcome, and in this video I am going to tell you about a pen tool, how to use that pen tool and all. So let us first create this canvas here over here, and I have the canvas, and now I am going to use this pen tool. From this, first select the pen tool over here from this options panel, tools panel, and here I click pen tool over here, or you just click P from your keyboard, and after clicking this P from the keyboard, you can see many options from on the top bar. First one is shape layers, second is path, third is fill pixels, pen tool, freeform pen tool, rectangle tool, round rectangle tool, etc. Like that you have many shapes over here. So first let us discuss what are these tools and all. First let me discuss freeform pen tool. So I took this freeform pen tool. This freeform pen tool, by using this freeform pen tool, you can draw the shape whatever you like. Suppose if I want to draw the shape of something like this, I can draw that. It's free. I can draw freely. So whereas in marquee tool and all, you can, if you have to just draw, have rectangle marquee tool, you can just draw rectangle. That's it. Elliptical marquee tool, you can just draw elliptical tool. That's it. But the difference with pen tool, this freeform pen tool, is you can draw off any shape whatever you want. I want like this. I want another thing like this. You can draw any shape. That's what freeform pen tool is. That's it about that. And second thing, here you can see various rectangle tool, rounded rectangle tool, elliptical tool, polygon tool, line tool, and all. These are like just tool. If I want rectangle, I'll just draw rectangle like this, and if I want a circle, I can just draw circle like this. These are all the tools like that. And coming about this pen tool, first when I select the pen tool, here I'll just get two options over here. There are three options actually, but this is fill pixels is not, it will not, it won't work now. So let us go with these two options. What are these two options? First option what I have is shape layers. So I just click on shape layers, and I'll just create a shape with this pen tool. First I'll start at one point. Just click at one point on the canvas, and second point, or wherever you like, and third point like this, and fourth like that, finally like this. So you will be able to given a privilege that you can draw any shape with this shape layers pen tool. So whatever shape I want, I can draw there like this. That is about pen tool shape layers, right? I can draw like this, whatever shape I can go with, like this. So whatever shape you can just draw a good design. That's about this pen tool shape layers. And let us go with second important thing what in pen tool is the path layer. So this path layer, click on the path layer. What is the path means, it's just where it's starting at any point, right? What is the path? If you want to go from Chennai to Bangalore, you have a fixed path, right? Chennai is the starting point and Bangalore is the ending point, right? So that is the path actually. So in this pen tool, by using this pen tool, you can draw your own path, and make that path as selection tool. Okay, and use the selection tool wherever selection path wherever you need. I'll just show you in the last time. I'll show you with an example. Just let me tell you about this, about something with this. So first create your shape layer, path layer. First I'll start like this. I'll go one point, I'll go triangle like this, like this, like this, like this, and finally I'll end here from my starting point. So I have created a shape layer, right? So I have created a path layer, right? So I have first started at one point here, and I went there, second point, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and finally at starting point, right? So my path is cleared, right? So after creating your path, your own path, just go to the, here you can see from layers panel. Beside the layers panel you can see channels and path here. So go for path. By default it will be here, by default it will be written as work path. Just double click on that work path and name it as whatever you like. I'll just like as test. Okay, So after this, you will be having many options over here. That is fill path with foreground color. Suppose my foreground color is red, I think so. So if I click this here, it will become red, right? So like that. And second one is stroke path with brush. So if you just click this option, it will be uh, brushed, right? Whatever brush you have selected, it will be brushed around that. So that. And third one is, this one is important, load path as selection. So that's what we want. We want this we want this shape we want this path layer to be used again and again. So I want this path selection to be path to be selection. To make it as selection, you go here and click load path as selection. So you can see here it is going to be selected, and you can use this wherever you want. I'll just show you with an example, good example here. I'll click close this, and suppose you think that here you can see a guy who was on an elephant in Wonderla. So he's just my friend. I just took it. His name is L1 actually. We call it him as L1, and let us make take an example on him. First, start with a pen tool and draw this, cut this elephant and him. I'm just going very fast, don't mind. Okay, so you can just make like that after that you can just slowly make this. Yeah, yes, you just go with pen tool and do all this stuff. Okay, yeah, I'm done, right? This is my starting point, and this is my ending point. I have to again come to my starting point. Click OK. Okay, now I have selected my path, right? So I have to go for paths here, my work path. I'll just click it as L1. Okay, and I want to make this as selection, right? So I want to use this somewhere. So I'll just load path as selection. I'll click this load path as selection. It has been selected, and I'll go with layers here, and I'll just click Ctrl J. You can just see that in this I have that selection, right? So I'll just copy this selection here and see where I'm going to use that. You can see a beautiful scenery over here. So what I'm going to do is I'll just paste here. See, I just make this image very short, and you can see that how beautiful it's going to be. Right, wherever you want this image to be placed, you can place there, right? So if I want that to be placed here, and I'll do that. I'm just going to do that. Okay, pretty good, right? So like this you can make this use this selection pen tool. You can use this pen tool like this. So wherever you want, you can just make that, and after clicking that, here click Ctrl T and select this left click, select whatever you want to do this changes to this. And if you want to make this like this correctly fit, I don't want to that grass to be appeared. So I'll just making it by using this wrap selection. I'll be making this. So see how good it looks. So this is what the pen tool works like that. By pen tool selecting by using this pen tool, you can do many things like this, many pretty much good things like. Okay, thank you, and let us meet in the next video. Stay tuned with explorall.com. Thank you guys.